festa do fim de semana. She put my name with yellow.
My butt cheeks jiggle when I fart.
Did you know that Bruno Mars is not from Mars? Did you know that you can skydive without a parachute, but only once? Did you know the symbol M in McDonald's represents the first letter of McDonald's, which is M? Did you know that Abraham Lincoln was born the same day as his birthday? Did you know that Pringles are called Pringles because someone named them Pringles? Did you know that The Lion King is not a true story? Did you know that the fastest car in the world is faster than all the other cars?